Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Temitope and this is T Plus Foodies. Today I'll be showing you how I make chicken shawarma. But before I go on, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button and share this video with your family and friends. The first thing I'll do is to add seasoning cube, garlic powder, soy sauce, black pepper and a pinch of salt to the chicken. I'm going to rub it in on the chicken and keep the chicken in the fridge for about 15 minutes to marinate. And then I rub it in very well and cover with a cling film and keep the chicken in the fridge for 15 minutes to marinate before I start the shawarma process. Next thing is to grate the carrot. I've already cleaned the carrot, I've washed it. The next thing is to grate it into tiny pieces, then I'll set that aside and go on to the next process. Then I cut the cabbage into tiny pieces with the knife. As you can see in the video, I used the knife to cut it into tiny pieces. Then I have mayonnaise, ketchup and chili sauce that I'll be mixing together. I'll mix the mayonnaise together with the ketchup and the chili sauce and keep that aside till when I will need them. The next thing I'll do is to pour the cabbage, the carrots. I'll mix it with the mix of mayonnaise and ketchup that I've already done. Mix everything together and keep that aside to when it's needed. Then I go over to fry the chicken. I pour vegetable oil in the frying pan and put the chicken in the pan to cook. frying the first batch of the chicken, the next thing I'll do is to fry the other part of the chicken with the sausage. So I will add more chicken and the remaining sausage. Done with the frying, the next thing I'll do is to cut the chicken into tiny pieces, not too tiny but a bit tiny, so that it's going to be easy to bite on when you put it in the shawarma wrap. Now it's time to wrap up the shawarma. So I open up the shawarma bread. I open it, cut it into two. Then I put, the first thing I'll put is to add the chicken. Then I add the mix of the vegetable and the sausage. Then I wrap them up, and I wrap all up and put it aside in a plate for frying. I place the frying pan on the slow fire, and I put the shawarma wrap in the pan to heat up for a few minutes, maybe about 5 minutes, just to heat up the bread and make the bread crunchy. shawarma is ready. How do you like to enjoy your shawarma? Do you enjoy with drinks, or you just like to drink water when you're done eating? Please don't forget to put comments in the comment section below and let me know your cooking experience. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to share this video with your family and friends and click on the subscribe button. Also click on the notification button so that you don't miss out on all my videos. See you again next time. Bye bye.